Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study at night in summer. First, find a quiet, well-lit spot where you can focus without distractions. Make sure it's comfortable but not too cozy to avoid falling asleep. Next, gather all your books, notes, and supplies before you begin, so you don't interrupt your flow. Finally, set a specific, realistic goal for your study session to maintain focus and motivation. To optimize your environment, keep your study space cool, ideally around 68 degrees Fahrenheit to stay alert. Hydrate consistently with water. Avoid sugary drinks that can lead to energy crashes. Remember to take short, 5-minute breaks every 45 to 50 minutes. Step away from your desk, stretch, or do something light to refresh your mind before returning to your studies. When studying, tackle your most challenging subjects early in the evening when your mind is freshest. Employ active recall techniques like quizzing yourself and spaced repetition to solidify information. Don't just passively read, engage with the material. Before you finish, quickly review the main points you covered. This helps reinforce learning and prepares you for the next session. As your study session concludes, begin winding down by avoiding screens for at least 1 hour before you plan to sleep. This helps your brain prepare for rest. Take a moment to organize your study area for tomorrow, ensuring a smooth start. Remember, a good night's sleep is crucial for retaining what you've learned. Also, check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Sweet dreams and happy studying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.